Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I had shared my last swap with you, the one with the stocking, and I have received my swap partners. I had three of them. I have received their swaps back, and this is the first one. Went ahead and opened it, and we are going to get into this box together. So our swap was for one tag with the to and from on the back and one handmade gift item. And then as a group, we decided to go ahead and swap the altered Dollar Tree stocking. So I don't know what's in here. I'm just going to go ahead and pull everything out, remove the box, and we will go through it together. So first of all, I am going to show you this yummy looking candy that is so adorable. Okay, so it did come with a candy, and I recognize this. This may have been from the Michael's paper pad. So she wrote a note on the back, and she's just thanking me for the swap, and she hopes that I like what she has made. So that's so pretty. I love that. So I am going to just grab a little envelope here, and this is an embellishment. One thing we did agree on was 6 embellishments. So I'm assuming this is one of 6. And look how pretty is that, guys. Guys, I'm sorry for all the paint on my hands. My husband was off this past week, and I had a honey-do list for him. Now I have to go in there and take care of some paint work. So anyway, look at that. That is so pretty. I love that. This little wreath is made out of snowflakes, this iridescent white and pink, and then this solid pink. That is so adorable. I just love that. So that is one of 6. And then here is a great big bow, guys. This is so pretty. There we go. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Oh, that is a big bow. So she put one of the snowflakes on the back. It's got a gold doily, and then it looks like it's got a smaller paper or cardstock snowflake on the back, and then the bow, and then this gorgeous gold snowflake on the front popped up on some foam tape. That is so pretty. So my partner's name is Lucy. This is a rosette, pink scallop background, and then this teal green rosette with a snowflake on the front, and that's really pretty. It's quite large, actually. Let me see how big that is. Wow, that's 3.5 inches. That's pretty big. That's very pretty. Thank you, Lucy. And then she has sent me a couple of die cuts. Oh, there we go. So this one has a snowflake, a Christmas tree, and a circle with a snowflake in the center. Very pretty. I love the glitter paper, guys. You know I love the glitter paper. So there are those. And then she made a little shaker. How cute. I'm not going to take this one out because I don't want glitter or, you know, bits and pieces all over the table, but she made a little shaker, a Christmas tree shaker. That is so cute. I love that. That is so pretty. And then she put a whole bunch of, you know, bits in the shaker bits in the bag itself. That is so pretty. Wonder where she got that little Christmas tree. I love it. Thank you, Lucy. I like that. And then in this next one, oh, that's so cute. Look at that beautiful Santa Claus. So this is a Santa Claus, and she put it on this real pretty glitter paper. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. And look at her Santa Claus. He is so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that. Thank you, Lucy. Santa is so adorable. So that is another embellishment. And then she sent me, here we go. Oh, that's so pretty. She sent envelopes. Okay. She sent 3 envelopes. She sent some cut aparts. So maybe these go in the envelopes. Looks like they fit in the envelopes. So these are the little cut aparts. She made envelopes for the cut aparts. Got it. So the envelopes are so pretty. Look at that paper. Just love that. I don't know if it was from, I don't know. I didn't get the paper pads from Michael's this year, but gosh, that's pretty. So thank you, Lucy. I love that. And then, oh, look at this bow, guys. Such a cute bow. It's got a little resin piece in the center. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, I love that bow. That is so pretty. I don't know where she got the bow from, but it is pretty. And then she's got a little resin piece in the center. That is so cute, guys. Oh, I love those colors. Thank you, Lucy. That one's so pretty. Okay, and then she sent, so she sent a couple of little nutcrackers, and those are so cute. These are some nutcracker die cuts. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Oh, those are adorable. She sent 2 of those. Those are cute. And then I think this was on here. So she sent, that's so cute. She sent a die, and it looks like it is a poinsettia. That's so pretty. So pretty. That is cute. And it's got instructions. That's nice. You can make a 3D poinsettia. That's so cute. I like that. All right. Thank you, Lucy. I appreciate that. And then she sent this package. And look at this. Isn't that cute? Little reindeer. It says Christmas wishes. That is so cute. I like these. Okay, and it's tied with some tulle. Joy, that is so pretty. I can't wait to go put that up. That is so pretty. Love that. I love her colors. All the sparkly. You know me, guys. I love my sparklies. So that's really pretty. It looks like she may have used some pre-cut. It looks like some chipboard banner pieces. She put this cute little nutcracker in the center, a tree, and a bauble at the end, a Christmas ornament. That is so pretty. Thank you, Lucy. I appreciate that. And then in this last package, she has put some trim on one very large paper clip. That's so cute. And a couple of tags. Let's see what's in here. And in the bag is this really cute stocking embellishment that she has made. And that is so adorable. Well, thank you so much, Lucy. I appreciate you swapping with me, and everything is just so adorable. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day.